Your organization's technology is constantly evolving, but storing that old tech around your facilities is costing your organization dollars in the form of time, labor, and unusable real estate. What you need is a reliable and responsible plan for removing those retired devices. The good news is that Er2 can do just that with our refreshingly simple process that creates a positive ripple effect into the communities around our world. Starting with the Er2 Client Portal, this secure interface allows you to request asset pickups, review past, present, and future job details, and quickly access all the documents you need, from asset inventories to chain of custody forms. Everything is just a click away. Our pickup teams answer the call and sort through each piece of hardware, cross-referencing devices against your own asset inventory list. Serial numbers get recorded and devices are logged by model and category, giving you a custom report for each and every job before securely transporting it to one of our audited and certified Er2 locations across the country, just like this facility in Phoenix. Keeping your sensitive data safe and secure is our top priority. Whether we're wiping data from drives or physically destroying them, our certified data disposal process makes sure that you never have to worry about your private data being leaked. And now, let's head back over to the portal and take a look at one of our most favorite features, your positive impact. Our zero landfill, zero export e-waste initiatives ensure that none of your outgoing electronics will ever see a landfill. We refurbish or recycle 100% of the e-waste that comes through our doors. Your pickups with Er2 aren't just making a positive impact on our environment at large, you're also changing the lives in real, local communities around the world. Every time we haul away your retired assets, a portion of their monetary value is added to what we call your donation bank. And let me tell you, our offices light up whenever we hear the heartwarming stories of the lives transformed through your generous donations. Changing lives for the better has never been easier, and Er2 is proud to partner with you on this journey. Simplify the way that you do IT asset disposals and become a difference maker in your community today.